Are your Windows apps broken by the Rgss102e.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. This DLL file is the Ruby game scripting system engine for RPG Maker XP. It handles the rendering, physics, and Ruby script execution for indie RPG games, making it essential for playing titles built on this classic development platform. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Rgss102e.dll belongs to the RPG Maker XP application bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of RPG Maker XP will restore this file and related components. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Rgss102e. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for the Rgss102e.dll that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry clutter or the Rgss102e inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix RPG Maker XP. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.